Your data embodies valuable assets, intellectual and private information. It's the backbone of your organization. Compromising the security of your data is not an option. A2B Data offers fast data migration with ironclad security that allows development teams to quickly move large volumes of data in a highly secure way. A2B Data is a disruptive tool that provides a new way of performing active data integration used for reporting and analysis. Its metadata-driven platform quickly and accurately extracts and loads data from any source to any target in a matter of minutes. With only minutes needed for initial installation, your team can be up and running in no time. It can help lead change in your organization. Many of the current data movement processes route data in and out of firewalls, compromising security and introducing potential data loss. Over-allocated developers speed programs to the production environment prior to proper testing, and some might even introduce undetected malicious code. Code reviews are skipped or hurried due to project deadlines. Avoid all of these situations by using the A2B Data software to maintain your active integration environment. A2B Data keeps all your information within the corporate firewall. The A2B profiles run on the A2B Data Client Services computer inside your firewall, performing data movement and conversions needed to quickly transport data from sources to targets. The A2B data processes are meta-driven, so no code is written. This avoids coding errors and missing attributes. With no user-written code, no malicious code can be introduced. Your staff interacts with the metadata via a secured connection to the web-based portal. The design patterns built into A2B Data will save you a large amount of time, money, and achieve increased confidence and accuracy. A2B Data is fast and reliable. It will reduce project risk, as human errors are minimized. All of this while keeping your data secure and safe within your firewall. As a real-time example, you need to load your corporate database with current sales transactions, along with monthly Excel sales forecast data. Once you have this process running, you can easily add in vendor supply information from your XML messaging system to get real-time inventory delivery information. The data remains safely within the confines of your corporate firewall. The process can be executed each day to keep your database server up to date. Let the A2B Data tool move your data quickly and securely. A2B Data gets information into the hands of end users faster from any source to any target. It helps build communication bridges and solidifies your staff's ability to deliver on time. A2B Data will reduce project risk as human errors are minimized. Using the link on our website, you can download a fully functional copy of the software. It installs in your environment in minutes. Once installed, you can quickly build your first active integration environment. For more information on A2B Data software powered by Wintec, visit the A2B Data website, www.a2bdata.com.